Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to animate here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Animating in Adobe Express is a simple process that offers several benefits that can make your designs more impactful and engaging. Whether you're working on a social media posts, videos, or presentations, animation adds dynamic elements that can elevate your work. Now, I want you to click on the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just click on the templates right here. You can browse on thousands of inspiring templates to begin your work. Or if you want to upload your own content, click this button right here. Now, in my case, I'm gonna choose this design that I have been working. For you to be able to animate any elements here in Adobe Express, all you're gonna do is click the animation part here. All right. You can choose from the effects here: bungee, drift, drop, spin, slide, rise, tumble, and a lot more. So it's up to you. It's quite limited. Now, you see there's gonna be an in and out. If you click on in, you might want to choose the first animation. All right, and the next animation for out is gonna be maybe pop. That's for the image. I'm going to add another animation on the video right here. I'm gonna click on the adjustments and then click on animation. I'm going to click on the in. Now what I'm going to do is slide for the in, and the out is gonna be spin. Right, for the next here right here, it's locked. I'm going to add an animation as well. Flicker. That's going to be an in, a flicker. And an out is a flicker as well. So I have all these. All right. Now it's about to check if the animation has blended so well. Let's click on the preview. You see that? Click the preview button right here in the bottom, because animation draws the viewer's eye towards the most important part of your design, ensuring they focus on what matters most. All right. Animated visuals often result in higher engagement rates, whether through likes, shares, and comments, or through click rates. Movement naturally attracts people's attention and keeps them interested. Now, once you are happy with this, you might want to click on the upper right corner on the download button. You can download this as an MP4 or maybe a JPEG or PDF, depending on your preferences. And if you want to share this amazing design, the animated elements here, to your client or boss, just click on the share button. Copy that link and send it to him. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.